What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have an update on Gala guys, which has been performing absolutely crazy over the last 2 days, hitting 2 huge green candlesticks, and in the last 24 hours itself it has pumped up over 35% in value, currently trading at just above 7 cents guys. So we're going to be going through what is next for Gala. Is it going to keep hitting green candles? Is it going to take a little dip down? And essentially covering buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is now the time to buy it? Have you missed out? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or is it simply time to be holding on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially hitting 10-20 cents over the coming weeks and months in 2024? And also covering his prediction over the short term and the long term as well. Is it a crypto still worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. And we are at a very critical point guys, getting very close to the resistance target. So two things can happen. They can either resist and then drop back down into the red zone, or break out into the green zone, heading up to 9 and 10 cents in value. But I will save that for later on in the video. For now, let's bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Gala, which is here in purple, at just over 4 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at over 7 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Gala over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, which I also agree with. I'm expecting it to take a dip down to just below 7 cents guys, so nothing too crazy, just a little minimal dip. However, in between that time, so over the next few hours, it is likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, potentially hitting just about 8 cents in value before it starts to hit red candles later on this evening and in the early hours of tomorrow, taking a dip down to around 7 cents in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days. Now the blue line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction, as you guys can see, and the orange line is slanting towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Gala? Is an overall fluctuation in value is expected from the graph. So by the end of next week, the crypto should essentially be hovering around the 7 cents target. However, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value, potentially heading up to around 10 cents is where I'm expecting Gala to be trading at by the end of next week. However guys, in between that time, it is likely to hit red days, such as by mid next week, I'm expecting a few red days, taking a little dip down in value, going for a minimal price correction before it pumps back up to around 9 to 10 cents in value by the end of next week. So do expect quite a wave. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place. As you guys can see here, over the last week itself, it has pumped up 63%, and over the month a huge 200% guys. So that explains why the graph is looking so steep. So essentially by late April, early May 2024, I'm expecting Gala to have taken a dip back down in value, down to around 5 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason being is it's pumped up quite a bit. It has to go for a price correction, and it is likely to do that late March, early April. So in approximately 2 months time, it should have gone for an overall drop in value due to the price correction. However, yes, I know the Bitcoin halving is coming up in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market, which I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's bring out the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are literally at the resistance point. What I'm expecting it to do is resist at the resistance target for about a few days. By mid next week, hit a few red candles, dropping back down into the red zone, and then potentially break out into the green zone, hitting 9 to 10 cents in value by end of next week, and then start to slowly drop back down into the red zone by late March, April and May, dropping down to around 5 cents in target is what I'm expecting at the moment. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Gala, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated as much as I can. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 200% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.2 billion in trading, guys, which is a huge increase in trading. Reason is Gala is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, the third top gainer according to Binance. So it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning that there's a lot more people trading the crypto, and in return this is also helping the value of Gala pump up higher than where it is at the moment. So can this crypto potentially hit 50 cents in 2024? Personally, from the predictions that I've done and analysis that I've done, I'm not expecting Gala to be hitting the 50 cents target anytime soon, at least not for the next 12 months is what my expectations are at the moment. Let me know in the comment section down below how high are you guys expecting Gala to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish as well, as I've seen a lot of comments saying again is realistic but very unlikely, the dollar mark and so on. That is quite a push, because for that to hit the dollar mark is going to have to require a major percentage increase, which I'm not expecting from Gala at the moment. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.